There has been a lot of progress in text summarization in the past few years. Given the prominence of neural models applied across all the other NLP tasks, summarization has also benefited from their adoption. Primarily, these models are now compared using automatic metrics such as Rouge, but these give a score which doesn't inform so much about the quality of the models. With Summary Explorer, we provide users a unified way to compare interactively and visually the outputs of these summarization models to assess their quality in a streamlined fashion. The tool currently hosts the output of 55 summarization models, and we plan to add more. And these models span 3 datasets from 2 different domains. 2 are from news, the CNN Daily Mail, the XM, and 1 is from social media, the TLDR corpus. Each of these datasets has a different style of summaries, different length of summaries, which makes a comprehensive comparison of summarization models possible. So the tool works in 4 steps. The first is to select a corpus. Let's select the CNN Daily Mail. The first thing a user sees is a list of quality criteria that are provided by the tool for evaluation. Each of the criteria spans either the coverage, the faithfulness, or position bias, the 3 main quality criteria that we highlighted in the paper. For each of the quality criteria, we have 2 different modes of comparison. You can compare a document versus a single summary, or you can compare a document against multiple summaries. For each quality criteria, we have a concise and straightforward question which helps users decide what they want to see. The next step is to select a model. And for each question, we show a preview of what to expect from the upcoming visualizations and the steps taken to interact to select the models for the visualizations. Here we present a heat map of all the models available for this dataset, and metrics can be added on demand. This allows to compare in an abstract manner which models the users might be interested in for comparison. Users can also click on certain metrics, and we compare them in a bit more detail using this histogram style visualization, which gives them quickly an idea of if there are any outliers or if a model has a special property. The next step here is to go to the examples, where we present a side-by-side view of an article and the models that the user selected. Since we are evaluating what are the parts of the document covered by the summary, we have 2 types of alignment. We can either lexically align the whole summary to the document, or we can align it semantically. It is also possible to align on a sentence level. Just by clicking on a single sentence, we see what are its most lexically related sentences. The same goes for the semantic version. Users can randomly load an article just to explore different parts of the corpus, or they can visit a specific article. It is also possible to change the question from this view after selecting a set of models so that the user doesn't repeat the selection process. This view shows the possible hallucinations that are in the summaries. In this case, there are none. This has one hallucination, which is highlighted in red. So by clicking on this sentence, we similarly show the lexical and semantically related views to get a bit more context about why this hallucination happens. The tool also provides a possibility to aggregate hallucinations from multiple models so that the model can display any particular bias towards a certain type of tokens that hallucinate. The last thing I would like to show you is the relations view. The relations view is a different comparison of all the extracted relations from the summary that are or are not aligned with those from the document. If we click on a relation that is not aligned, we quickly see the related sentences from the document of this summary sentence. This allows to see what is the problem and why this was not aligned if there is a hallucination in the relation itself. Similarly, for the aligned relations, we directly show the corresponding document sentence for additional context. It is also possible to switch directly between the text and relations view for both the article and the summaries. The user can also switch datasets from this screen and proceed in a similar fashion. Here are the list of all the models that are currently hosted. You have a description of each model, abstract, the quality criteria the authors evaluated, and the link to the paper, followed by the root scores, which are sortable. So this is Summary Explorer. The tool is live at tldr.webis.de, where you can try all the other views. And we hope you like the tool. Thank you.